Hey guys, okay, so as you can see above, okay, let me start over. I have a little note, and I even put the date on it. Okay. Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I am so sorry to say this, but you probably know by the title, I am changing my YouTube channel because I can no longer access my other account, because the new YouTube account is going to be called Teal Koala 02. Yes, I still kept the name, but I just changed the numbers. As I said, this is my final goodbye on this channel, but I will see y'all again on Teal Koala 02. Bye. Sub me if you love me on my old channel. Not my old channel. What was I saying? On my new channel, Teal Koala 02. Oh, and by the way, I have a Twitter, and I'm not going to change the name. It's called Teal Koala 01. Okay, bye. And I think Teal Koala 02 sounds so much better. So I'll see y'all on my other channel. Bye. Okay, now